typing the message sent
and delivered on instantly. Instantly. Hamna shida. Hamna shida. Bosi wetu wa automation, hebu switching time again. Let's see. Taalamu wetu.
I'm going to switch it to 5 seconds.
5 no.
5,000.
Yeah, that's good. 5 seconds, yes. 5,000 milliseconds. Great.
So, actually, what are you doing there?
I'm inserting a new data program to this
Microcontroller.
microcontroller.
Na tukichukua hapa kutokea hapa kuna kosa nilifanya kwa kitu nilifanya hapo isolated. Tukichukua hapa na hapa, itakachotokea ni kwamba tunakuwa tumewaacha hawa jamaa. Kwa hiyo obviously nitakiwa niwe na test point. Ningekuwa na test point moja hapa ambayo naweza nika loop, then ningeweza kutoa hapa. Lakini hii ilivyo, if I put here and here, nitakuwa nimeacha hizi resistance.
Nimemuona lakini nimemuona nikafundisha wenzie na mwanafunzi mzuri wakati wa kufundishwa tumemuona. Wakati watoto wanakuwa wanacheza, na darasani kuna watoto fulani wanakuwa very sharp. Na uhakika wakati watoto wanapocheza kwa kila mtu baina yetu wanakuwa wanajiangalia na jiona yule mimi kabisa. Kwa mfano mmoja nilimwona mzubazubaa nikajua mimi wake mimi na japokuwa ndio huyo mimi kabisa. Sasa makofi tena kwa madale. Kazi nzuri, kazi safi kabisa. Ninawaona sasa nguvu walivyojiandaa kwa kujadili kwa upinzani wanasawazisha. Maji ni marefu sana au ya kuingiza mwili. Karibuni sana watoto wazuri kwa wapendezi kabisa. Suti maridadi. Afrika yote zimenyoka na hii. Hii kuanza sisi katika mwaka 2024. Karibuni sana.
Now, if I do this, you can see my eye. If I continue this thing, you can see some. Then, until the park.
Yes.
The park, you can see me very well. Now, I do this is very clear. So this is the
nice. Tell me something about this. You. What is this? Yes.
Light filter.
Kama uzikumbuki vizuri unaweza ukawa unaandika majina kwenye karatasi. Sawa? Color filter.
Color filter. As you know, the white
color filter, light filter is just fine because it's actually filtering light. Hizo color tunazipata because of light. Okay? Yes.
Okay. But that means you know that the white color contains mixture of many colors. So when you try to observe the white light by using this color filter,
yes,
which is the red one, yes, you can see the red light. Then you go to green, you can see a green light, blue, see blue light. So
where is this used in our daily lives? Have you seen anywhere where there is application of these color filters?
Yes.
Where?
Disco lights.
Disco lights. Sawa, eh? Yes. Disco light is one application. The other application ni kwenye mambo ya measurements, sawa, eh? Kwa mfano watu wa TBS huko au mkemia mkuu wa serikali, some of the measurement devices have these filters in them because they need specific color for measurement. Sawa? Yes. So those two are main examples. disco lights, zile hata zile Christmas lights zile za kwenye LEDs, sawa? They also apply some sort of filtering in it, but also in measurement applications. Nice. Are you guys ready now to explain to me? Yeah, explain to me now. What do we have here?
As you can see here,
Yes.
we have a power supply
Yes.
and the Ohm's law circuit.
Yes.
This device, it is like a demonstration to show how current is passing through different devices in installation. Now, as we know from the Ohm's law, which says that at the constant temperature and other physical factors, the current passing through a wire is directly proportional to the voltage across its ends. So it means that the current is directly proportional. It means that when the current increases, also the voltage is the same, increases. But when the current increases and all the resistance increases in there, so it means that if the current
Can you write the Ohm's law and then talk when you've written it already? Okay.
So it means that if the resistance
Increases?
the current decreases.
Good.
And if the current and if the resistance decreases, current increases.
So now tell us about the circuits. Like you start with the simple, then you tell us series, you tell us the parallel, and you tell us what's the difference between them.
Okay, as you can see here, first we're going to start with the let's start with the series. Here, this wire allows the voltage to pass through. Then, when
Why don't you start with the simple one?
okay, let's see. It means that the current passes through the first switch. Since we have turned on the switch, so it means that the rope of the current will go through.
Yes.
Causing the light to turn on.
Yes.
Since the light will convert the electricity into light and heat. So
Yes.
when the current passes here, as you can see, you have only the one resistance, which is neither connected to parallel nor to series. We have a 5 ohm resistance. This resistance is used to resistor is used to control the amount of current passing through.
Why do we need to control the amount of current passing through?
Because we need to control the amount of current passing through to avoid either the damage of the bulb when the voltage it is high.
Yes. Nice. Okay. Now tell us what's the difference between this simple circuit and parallel and series circuit, especially in terms of current.
In simple circuits, let's say if we have, let's say the first resistor, this resistor has 5 ohms, 5 ohms, and the voltage passing through, let's say it is 12 voltage, it is 12 volts. Then the current it will be that 12 over 5, which is, let's say, like
2 point something, right?
But this in series, when you connect it, let's say this is 12, you get like 1.2. So it means that in simple circuits, there will be the current will increase than in the series
Circuit.
Yeah.
Because what is the reason of that increase? Is because there you have more resistance, right?
Yes.
In series.
Yes.
Then what about parallel circuit as compared to simple and series circuit?
In parallel circuits, it is different. As you know, parallel it means like they're similar to each other. in series they are following each other. Okay.
So in terms of current, where is current bigger? Is it bigger in simple? Is it bigger in series? Is it bigger in parallel?
The current in parallel it is bigger than in all other circuits like series and simple. Since this in parallel, the resistance will like share the current, but in series you have different current passing through each resistance.